Nagaoka City in Niigata Prefecture is rich in nature and tradition. DMG MORI Precision Boring has been producing machine tools in Nagaoka for over 80 years. The leading manufacturer of horizontal boring machining centers specializes in high-precision hole drilling. Utilizing advanced technology, they consistently produce products that meet the evolving needs of their customers. To date, they have delivered a cumulative total of 7,000 units worldwide. They continuously develop new technologies and features using their expertise and innovative ideas to address customer challenges. In the machining area, parts are machined in-house with their own high-precision equipment. In the assembly area, assembly is performed under strict temperature control for superior quality. Previously operating as Kuraki, they have produced high-quality products to date. In April 2024, they took a new step forward as DMG MORI Precision Boring.
当社では最大40トンの大物重量ワークの重切削加工を得意としており、他社に類を見ない幅広いラインナップを展開しています。そして新たに DMG モリグループの一員として一層の技術開発はもちろん、生産の自動化や DX を含めたトータルソリューションをお届けします。技術の力で世界を作るをモットーに、世界中の重切削を支えていくことに誇りと責任を持ち、勇気あるチャレンジを続けてまいります。
DMG MORI Precision Boring. From Nagaoka to the world, adapting to changing times, they continue to evolve.